What's up everybody, it's Matt from TDM Style here and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I've got a new haircut, some fantastic new hair color that I'm completely obsessed with, and I also have the new February package from Trendy Butler, so let's get into this unboxing. So if you saw last month's Trendy Butler unboxing, that was definitely like my favorite one so far. I mean, I'm wearing the hoodie right now from it. The hoodie is awesome. The pants that came with it are great. So I'm really excited to see what is in this month's package. And it feels pretty heavy, so I have a good feeling about it. So let's crack right into it. All right, let's see. We got a few items here. Ooh, all right, so we get a little bit of a new logo here. Now this is the shirt that I got a couple boxes ago, but it was too small. So they did say that they were gonna send me a different size in a future box. So there's that. Let's open this up and see what else we have here. Now this looks really awesome. We've got a nice sweater here and it's kind of like a gray and white. This looks fantastic. I'm really excited about this. Let's see, the brand is Royal Knights Black Label, handmade. There's a medium and it does look like it will fit me perfectly, so that is super exciting. I don't have any sweaters that look quite like that. All right, and we also have a pair of pants from 11 Paris. Now, I think the very first box that I was sent had a pair of pants similar to these, but in like a light khaki color. They're calling this color Raisin. It is in my size. I like the color. It's definitely like a dark purple. And I don't really have... These are like a nice chino pant. And I was kind of hoping to get a pair of purple chinos like for work. So this comes at a really good time. I'm not really sure what the drawstring belt thing is all about with these, but I mean, obviously that I'm just gonna remove that, but I do like the overall look of the pants. They look like a nice slim cut, so I'm thinking that they should fit pretty well. So I think all that's left at this point is to try everything on and see how it fits. Alright guys, so that does it for this month's Trendy Butler unboxing, and I gotta say, I am really happy with this package. Again, they just delivered. I really love the sweater. I think it's a really cool look. It fits very well. It's super comfy. Really love the purple chinos. They fit absolutely perfectly, so I'm looking forward to wearing those to work. And the shirt that they sent me also fits perfectly this time, and I like that because it's not something that I would normally go for, that type of pattern or colorway really, but I like the way that it looks, and so I think it'll be cool to just bring something new to my wardrobe. So be sure to stay tuned to the channel, guys. This is a double video week, so I've got another video coming out on Sunday, and if you are looking to try out Trendy Butler for yourself, don't forget to use the coupon code that I've got in the description box down below to save yourself a couple bucks. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please click that button to make sure that you stay up to date with all the upcoming content, and as always, thank you so much for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one.